Join our Friday and Saturday Zooms for 3 hours of hands-on AHK teaching and support. Get unstuck and level up in real time. Witness how club members crush real AHK projects. It's eye-opening proof that our community sparks creativity and success. The Stream Deck, he'd had many Stream Decks, but he walks constantly on a treadmill, and for some reason he would go to touch a Stream Deck and it would actually shock and kill his Stream Deck, and he killed several Stream Decks that way and
Oh,
got.
wow.
So he wanted to be able to, he's like, hey, could we have like a 10 key keypad where it does the same thing? And we're like, we have something that detects other keyboards, but it still, your built-in 10 key, it would also trigger off of that. And we were trying to stop that. So we came up with our other tool to detect the other one's press, but then if you pressed like the 5 on the 10 key, it was still sending the 5, and we couldn't figure out how to
Yeah, that was
block
that
that.
was the main
Yeah,
the main problem.
fortunately. Yeah, so we're getting close to where we can have our cake and eat it too, right?
Yeah, exactly.
You can have a hotkey if you wanted to on your 10 key on your keyboard, number 5, do one thing, and I could have the 10 key on number 5 do something else, right? But which also kind of gets back to the one, that long press I was talking about this, when we started the hour one. Again, he might be like, you know what? That's good enough, right? I just have to do a long press on my normal. Again, it's extending, the things that the hotkeys that you can have, right? So that's why I thought that was or we give them a foot pedal. Hey, if the foot pedal's down and I press the 5, it does something different. So it's always good to remember there's a lot of ways to skin the cat, as they say. We got 2 minutes. Does everyone have any questions? I saw Ray was asking about prompt injecting in browsers, and yeah, that's what I was just saying, Ray. I would be careful about what browser you're using with AI. If it's coming from a really well-known company, I'd feel much more secure about it. But also, you may be careful about. I have to still enter a password when I'm in my Amazon, when I'm buying things, right? So, I mean, that's my biggest concern is like suddenly um, people buy something or they change it, and it gets still purchased or something with mine, and it's sending my data somewhere that I don't know about.
What I've heard about them is that they can
Well, it's just like the SQL
if
injection. Yeah, they can do stuff to inject things into what you're doing, right?
if you go to a page that has the instruction on it, the artificial intelligence can will read it and will just act on it.
Sure, it's
Uh,
possible. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Right.
so you're saying be careful if it's a company like Comet that's well known, but I don't think that offers a, a protection that the company's well known. It seems to be just a danger of having an artificial intelligence in the browser.
I'm saying a well-known company has going to at least been put in things to handle to watch for it and to be much more careful about it. But a
Well,
lesser known company won't have.
yeah, but I'm just going by Nate B. Jones, who says there's no protection, period.
Yeah, well, I would disagree with that. There's no protection.
You
But I
think
got to
there
run.
is? You think there is?
Yes, that's what I'm saying.
All right. So we do have to leave.
Yeah, we have another call
Very
we got to
well.
come to.
We're gonna be talking later, guys. Thank you for being here.
Bye. Members get unlimited access to 466 plus hours of video lessons packed with AHK insights to binge learn whenever inspiration hits. Grab 25% off all our AHK goodies, courses, scripts, and custom work so you save cash while building your toolkit like a boss.